And welcome back to Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video you can be in the live chat with everyone else and leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. And this time around, it's up to you. I want your decision on who's in the wrong in this video. You let me know.
Sheriff 67 traffic.
67.
About halfway up the North Hill in the northbound lane on Washington. Foy Union Adam, or correction. And stand by. It's on California, 8 Union Adam, Edwards, 456 SUV.
Copy.
Hello. Hello. I'm Officer Jason Marshall, Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is you're speeding.
I was going 45, sir. I had my brake.
I believe you were going 45. Actually, I had you at 54 and a 35.
It says 45 on the plate.
Nope, you passed about 2 or 3.
Are you just pulling over because I
You can go ahead and just drop the attitude.
You could drop the attitude. That's really rude.
Okay, that's great. Just go ahead and give me your driver's license.
Yeah, great. Thank you.
Yep, and I'll just scratch your ticket and you can get out of here.
Great. I would appreciate it.
Alright, I told you, I want your opinion on who is in the wrong on this video. But yes, you should have your driver's license, registration, and insurance all ready to go before the officer even reaches your door. Have the window down, hand over the documents. That's all you need to do.
I'm a local, so you should probably not be so rude to because
That's
I have
great.
California plates. I know, that's great.
If you're local, I thought maybe you'd know the speed limit sign.
Do you know what the speed limit is now?
I do know the speed limit sign, and I was on the speed limit, sir. This has an extension on it, so the paper copy is somewhere. But
you don't have it on you.
I do have it on me somewhere.
Okay. I'll take your registration and your
My registration is
vehicle.
also in the back.
Are you going to keep interrupting me?
You want it?
I'm trying to do my job
You want
right
me to turn
now.
on my video camera?
Yeah,
I will.
absolutely. Absolutely.
For sure.
I honor that.
Yeah,
That'd be great.
I would love it.
Yeah?
Yeah, so would my lawyer.
Great. Okay, terrific.
Yeah.
That's terrific. That's cool because I'm already recording all this. So
Cool. So am I.
that's cool.
Yeah, cool.
But I
Go
do
ahead,
need
my ticket.
your vehicle registration.
Cool. You
and
want to
your
dig in
proof
my
of insurance.
trunk? Go
If you
ahead
don't
and
give
run it.
okay.
Go ahead and run it.
Okay.
Thank you. It's a business.
Go ahead and hop out the car.
You can't hop me out of the car.
Yep. Get out of the car.
Yeah.
Yes, Pennsylvania versus Mims. Supreme Court ruling says get out of the car when the officer tells you to. Again, not taking sides, but that is the law.
Yes. Get out
No,
of the
you
car.
can't.
Get out of the car.
Try. You can't make me get out
Nope.
of the car.
If you're gonna be like
You
this,
can't make me get out of the car.
I
I
can.
will call another officer now.
Okay.
You will not make me get out of the car with my children in the car. Or pull you over for speeding because you
Okay.
don't like my attitude.
no,
sir.
I'm gonna pull you over, or I'm gonna pull you out of the vehicle because I do not want to have this conversation in front of your children.
I don't care.
No, so
My
get out of the car.
children are here.
Get out of the car.
You can't touch my car.
No, not.
You cannot touch my car.
I don't know you!
Call the cops.
Ma'am, I am a
Yeah,
police
I'm
officer.
gonna call myself.
Good. So can I get no?
You can't open my car because you see California plates. Excuse me, sir. I'm calling 911. Thank you.
No.
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
I am calling 911. 911's called.
Do you not?
I'm calling 911
No, you're
right
gonna
now.
get out of the vehicle.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
calling 911. Hi, could you please send me an officer? I'm on the side of the freeway, and the officer's trying to open my door and come in my car with my children. Please have
Ma'am?
someone come here right now.
Yeah.
You're on the side of the freeway.
On the
I'm
side of the
dealing with an
overpass
uncooperative female.
at the Bonners Ferry.
Another vehicle here.
He's pulled me over because he says I was speeding. I was not, and he's refusing and trying to get me out of my vehicle with my minor children in my car, and I'm a woman.
Ma'am, do not roll the window.
Do not touch my car, sir. Do not touch my car, sir.
You're going to be removed from the vehicle.
You're on 911.
You're going to be removed from the vehicle.
You're going to be
removed from the vehicle.
Stop it!
You're going to be removed from the
He
vehicle.
just broke my window.
Do not.
He just broke my
Do
window.
not roll that window up.
He just broke my window. Somebody bring a cop here now.
Do not.
Now.
Open the door.
No. Now.
My sergeant's on his way.
Cool. And you just broke my window.
My sergeant's on his way.
You're going to be arrested,
You're gonna be-
sir.
you're going to be
arrested. And I'm calling Carolyn.
You're going to be arrested for resisting
No,
obstruct.
I'm calling
okay?
Rex right now. You're dead. You're
I'm
gonna
dead?
be you're gonna be arrested for doing that. You're out of control.
Is that your son over there?
It's my daughter.
Your daughter. Miss,
Do not even talk
is there
to her.
any weapons inside the vehicle?
What?
To the best of your knowledge.
Weapons? No.
Is there any reason why your mother's acting like this?
Are you out of your mind?
Do you know there's any weapons in the vehicle at all?
Are you kidding me?
No knives or handguns? Okay.
You are really out of
Okay.
control.
So you're going to jail.
I'm not going to jail.
Yes, you're going
I'm
to
calling Rex right now. Yeah, don't worry. Get out of here. You just broke my vehicle. You're going to pay for that, and I'm going to sue your ass.
I'll sue you. I'll take all your money.
I think your children would appreciate
you don't know.
if you keep cursing like that in front of your
Call
children.
Carolyn now.
944
Call Carolyn and keep calling.
1042 is not
So
available.
my sergeant's en route.
Cool.
And you will be getting booked for resisting obstruct.
Cool. There's nothing.
Do you have anybody that's going to come pick up your
Oh,
children?
don't worry about it. Don't worry about it because you're going to be in big trouble.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Your call has been forwarded. Are you calling her?
You have reached a number that has been disconnected or no longer in service.
And tell her to get Rex on the phone now. And then call you back. You're a dead man. What you just did, you're in serious trouble. Hey, a cop just broke my
chose
windshield
that.
trying
You
to
chose
get
that.
into my vehicle,
So.
and now he's trying to arrest me, and he's ripping my vehicle. He's ripping off my cop, Andre.
What do you mean ripping your car?
Yeah, he's ripping my car.
Okay. So that's what
He's
you're doing
ripping
now.
my car.
Don't pull your hands away from me.
Do not touch me, sir.
You're getting removed
Do
from the
not
vehicle.
touch me, sir. Do not touch me. Do not
Moved
touch
from the
me.
vehicle, okay?
Do not touch me. No, the girls are in the kids are in the car. This guy's reaching through my car and broke my windshield because he said I was speeding because he didn't like my attitude.
So
This
she
guy's
kept trying to roll her window up.
Can you call Rex right now? Call Rex.
She's got her children. I'm trying to.
Call Rex. He just broke my window. Can you remove him from my car right now?
I'm calling. Open your fucking location.
I'm sending my location. I am calling Carolyn. I'm calling the
Don't go
attorney.
anywhere.
You're dead meat, dude. You cannot do that. And my
Told me I
children
was
just witnessed
dead,
it.
So.
My children just witnessed what you did, dude.
Okay. Well, I told you not
All
to roll up
because
the
you
window.
didn't like my attitude because I said I wasn't speeding.
No, I explained
Yeah,
to you to get out
they're
of the vehicle.
here. You can't ask me to get out of the car. You don't have probable cause for that.
I do.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
And is trying to remove her from the car because she was speeding and didn't like that.
Can
Have
you
you
tell
called-
them
take
get
a
up
breath.
here now and get
Take a
Rex
breath.
on the phone? Get Rex Finney on the phone now.
Take a breath.
No, you take a breath. Leave my car.
No,
You
that's not
literally
what
just
happened.
broke into my car and came
did
after
not.
me and physically tried to remove me
Okay.
from my vehicle.
If you don't get out of the
I'm
vehicle-
gonna sue you
I'll sue ya! I'll take all your money!
That's fine.
with my
That's your right.
children.
If you don't get out of the vehicle,
No, I'm not getting
you're
out
going
of the
to get
vehicle.
removed.
You're gonna get out of the way.
You're going to get removed.
I have a right to not remove from my
Do not do this
vehicle.
in front of your children.
I don't have to be
You're
removed
going-
from my vehicle. What are you doing? Remove yourself. You have no probable cause for that.
I got a driver's license right here.
Jake, somebody please get the cops here.
This is
What are they doing, Eugene?
bigger battles. Got going forward and
Get
charge
Rex
for
Finney here.
obstruct the lake and
That'd be threats too. I'm dead. She said I'm dead.
I said you are literally losing your mind.
right here is
I can't wait for Rex.
the reason for your stop.
Okay.
Right here
Eugene, you need to come to Bonners Ferry right
Okay.
now.
is get her out of
Okay.
Right now, get in the
Second
car.
release on a So I can release her on there. She's not going to sign the citation.
Okay.
Serve it to her.
Okay.
So I can release her on
I
this.
am. They want to remove me.
Okay.
Come right now, you team.
We've got an infraction violation.
Sure.
We go use of force. We're going to end up with a felony.
Yeah.
And we don't need that. So let's just write a couple citations, get it done with.
Okay. And then, okay.
All right.
All right.
So yeah, the sergeant did show up and cut her a break. Gave her some tickets, told her to settle it in court. That's what happened. And then she made a plea deal. And hey, I don't know if that's a win, but at least her lawsuit didn't go anywhere. Does anybody think it would?
Yes, it's all true. I just don't know what's wrong with me.
And thanks for joining Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring the bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video you can be in the live chat with everyone else, and leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. And a very special thank you to our channel members from the beginning to now. Thank you. If you'd like to become a member, just hit that join button right next to subscribe. And for all of you watching, Wanishi, thank you. I will see you soon.